so loud! Use headphones!
What's that? What's that, bro?
Use headphones, you're so loud! You're such an iPad kid! Oh shit, I'm supposed to be Madam Bisou. iPad? Me?
We have to get headphones! I'm only born in 2019.
Same! LOL! Let's go headphones, yeah?
Wait. One more.
Well, you have to be 12 plus to play this.
Move, I want to see the new hideous Fortnite skin.
Can you stop?
It's past midnight. We need to be careful. There might be people sleeping. Yo, you sleeping? What you dreaming about? Hey, Madame Bisou.
You know,
Whoa, this is cleaning
when you have the
paradise.
tank and you press landmines, that's what Adam's doing.
He's farting.
There's no headphones, you okay, Mr. Zizi? Let's go. No matter how many
the
fish
camera.
you- Where's Madame Bisou? Where did Madame Bisou go?
Madame!
Monsieur Zizi, is that you? Monsieur!
Zizi!
Madame Bisou? Madame Bisou, are you here?
Oh, my back. Thankfully, Sam is here with me. Hey, Sam. Max? Who's Max? You're cheating on me. Do you like the steak I had in Texas Steak Roadhouse? Oh, yeah, you didn't get anything. You came late. I told you. Who's that? My kiss is fan crank. Who's that? They're chasing me! They're real! I'm not schizophrenic! Help me! Help me! I killed it! I killed it! They're alive! I'm schizophrenic! No, stop! Oh, Madame Bisou, was it the whole time?
You have to drink more water. You're becoming schizophrenic.
What's that? It's the schizophrenic.
That means you see people that they're not real.
It's Max! Run!
Ow, my back.
Madame Bisou.
Monsieur Zizi.
It's so peaceful and quiet now.
Yeah, I'm gonna draw this moment.
Alright, why is it so quiet? It's unusual. Madame Bisou, where do you get the red from?
You're the ass, lol.
Mine. Madame Bisou, why is it so quiet today?
I don't. You know, you're literally talking to people, so it's fine.
You know what I mean! You know what I mean by quiet! There's a lack of noise.
Okay.
Take the phone.
No, I'm drawing. I literally
Take
can't.
the phone.
But you can't.
I don't even want to be associated with you anymore. You're not my legal wife. You're not even my wife. I don't care about you. I'm going home. Take the phone and leave. I don't think of coming back.
You have to shout that louder. The camera can't
I'm
hear
not
you.
even gonna go to the house. I'm gonna find my own place. I'm going to Kanye.
Come back.
What's this, Madame Bisou?
Blood, sweat, and tears.
Where did you get the blood from?
God, this face.
Where did you get the blood from, Madame
Your
Bisou?
ass and the spit from me.
Madame Bisou, why is it so quiet?
Because our son's not here, you fat shit. He got lost.
Wait, what? We have a son?
Ah, lol.
I'm being serious, Madame Bisou.
What?
We have a son?
I thought you said you took a babysitter to him.
No, I just ran away because he looked weird.
Then you know we have a son, then. You messed up.
Stop talking like that. You're talking like take the phone.
Don't do that. BATBRO!
Oh, it looks scary. Looks like I'm underwater and don't know. Oh, someone just fell on the floor. What? You're a caveman, Madame Bizou.
This is gonna get them on buzz.
Yeah, I did. I really did. Wait. Okay.
Like this.
Wait. Get away from me! God save me from this human! I hope I'm schizophrenic! I hope they're not real! Please help me! They can stand up!
I kill very much vegan. I kill. I was hungry, okay?
No! It's a rock, it's not meat!
You are me.
No, I'm not! I'm hemorrhoid! I'm schizophrenic!
Cut one like I was like this. Catch! No, you missed it.
What? I hope you die alone. Hey guys, this episode is no bloopers, zero bloopers, nope, no bloopers. And also I gotta point this out, we did not use any blood, it was just red paint. Don't cancel me, please, it was his idea, cancel him. Peace out!
Let's go on an adventure.
Where? We're homeless, doesn't
We're in the hood, man. We're gonna get shot.
What does that mean? What does
Oh,
it put
crap.
mean?
Run!
Ah, look, it's a laser pointer, yes!
Oh, I'm dead. Buddy, died. He died.